Hello guys, how are you? So guys, today I will teach you about Amazon. What is Amazon and how it is work and how you can create your own business on Amazon. Nowadays, Amazon is the most powerful e-commerce website. E-commerce websites mean so guys, this is the main website Amazon. Now let's see. This is the main page of Amazon. Let's start. I will teach you about more things. If you want to earn, if you want to earn, you need to create your own accounts. They will demand your personal documents, tax files, and many other things. Look at this. Many people has their own stores. This is too much easy. If you want to buy anything, you can just search. Look at this. I want iPhone, iPhone earbuds. Look at this. iPhone earbuds, iPhone earbud wireless or wired means with wired or without wireless. Okay? Look at this. I want to buy wireless. Look at this. These are too much beautiful. Many kind of earbuds are available. Look, look at this. If you want to buy like I want to buy this one. Look at this. Country unavailable. Oh shit. We will find another. This one. These are available and its price is 199.99, almost $200. And let's see its specification. Look at this. Look at the first wireless Bluetooth earbuds, copper black. It is wireless earbud of running and sport. Charging case included. 24 horns battery case. Active noise cancellation sports earbuds. There are too many functions. If you want to buy, if you want to buy, just click here buy now. If you want to more shopping, just add to cart and look at this. I will this is look at this. If you want to buy more than one, just click here and look at this. Return are easily return until January 31. One of million eligible items means if you don't like this product, you can return it. You can return it. And look, I will teach you more about this. Look at this. These are too much beautiful shoes in different qualities. Colors are available. You can see this one, and this one. Look at this one. Mm. And size are also available. Just choose your size and order it. Fila. This company is too. branded and their shoes is too much expensive. Maybe they make a copy for it.